Kenya's hospitality industry is growing rapidly, creating exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to build businesses that support hotels, restaurants, resorts, lodges, conference centers, and tourism companies. As more local and international travelers visit Kenya, hospitality businesses are under pressure to improve customer service, staff professionalism, and guest experiences. This has created a strong demand for training agencies that can help hospitality businesses develop skilled employees. Many people think that the hospitality industry is only about hotels and tourism. In reality, it is a massive sector that includes restaurants, event venues, conference facilities, resorts, travel companies, catering businesses, guest houses, and many other service-oriented organizations. Every one of these businesses depends on well-trained staff to satisfy customers and maintain high service standards. Without proper training, businesses struggle with customer complaints, employee turnover, poor service delivery, and declining profits. This growing need for professional development presents an excellent business opportunity. A hospitality training agency provides specialized training programs that help hospitality businesses improve employee performance. Instead of hiring permanent trainers, many businesses prefer outsourcing training to specialists who can provide modern, practical, and effective solutions. This creates a recurring source of income for a training agency. Imagine a newly opened hotel in Nairobi that has invested millions of shillings in beautiful rooms, modern facilities, and attractive marketing campaigns. Despite these investments, guests continue to leave negative reviews because staff members lack customer service skills. The hotel management quickly realizes that improving employee performance is essential. They begin searching for a professional training company that can help their staff deliver exceptional guest experiences. This is where a hospitality training agency becomes valuable. Starting this type of business does not necessarily require huge capital. What matters most is expertise, professionalism, networking, and the ability to solve real problems for clients. Many successful training agencies began with a single trainer, a laptop, and a clear understanding of the hospitality industry. The first step is understanding the specific challenges faced by hospitality businesses. Hotels and restaurants constantly deal with issues such as customer complaints, communication problems, staff turnover, low productivity, inconsistent service delivery, and changing customer expectations. Your training programs should be designed to address these challenges directly. Businesses are willing to pay for training when they see a clear connection between the training and improved business results. Choosing a niche can help you establish yourself more quickly. Rather than offering every possible type of training, focus on an area where you can become known as an expert. Customer service training is one of the most popular options because nearly every hospitality business wants to improve guest satisfaction. Staff members who know how to handle complaints professionally, communicate effectively, and create memorable guest experiences can significantly improve a business's reputation. Another profitable niche is hotel operations training. This involves teaching staff members how to manage front office activities, reservations, housekeeping operations, and daily hotel procedures. Hotels often hire external trainers to help standardize operations and improve efficiency. Food and beverage training is another area with strong demand. Restaurants, hotels, and catering companies frequently need staff who understand proper food service techniques, customer engagement, hygiene standards, and professional etiquette. Well-trained waiters and restaurant supervisors can increase customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Leadership and management training offers even greater earning potential. Managers and supervisors often require specialized skills in team leadership, conflict resolution, staff motivation, and performance management. Businesses are generally willing to invest more money in leadership training because effective managers directly influence organizational performance. Technology-focused hospitality training is becoming increasingly important. Many hotels now use digital booking systems, property management software, customer relationship management platforms, and automated guest service tools. Staff members need proper training to use these systems effectively. Agencies that provide technology-related hospitality training can position themselves as modern and innovative service providers. Once you have selected your niche, the next step is establishing your business legally. Registering a business creates credibility and allows you to work with corporate clients confidently. While some entrepreneurs begin as sole proprietors, many eventually register limited companies, because larger organizations often prefer dealing with incorporated businesses. Branding is another critical aspect of building a successful training agency. Your business name should sound professional and reflect your area of expertise. A strong logo, professional website, branded training materials, and consistent marketing help create a positive impression. Remember that hospitality businesses expect professionalism from companies that train their staff. Your brand should demonstrate the same quality standards you teach. Developing high-quality training content is one of the most important investments you can make. Generic presentations copied from the internet rarely produce meaningful results. Instead, create training programs that address real situations encountered in hospitality environments. Use practical examples, role-playing exercises, case studies, group discussions, and interactive activities. For example, when teaching customer service, do not simply explain theoretical concepts. Show participants how to greet guests, handle complaints, manage difficult situations, and exceed customer expectations. Practical learning tends to produce better outcomes and makes your training sessions more memorable. Training manuals and participant workbooks can become valuable business assets. Well-designed materials enhance professionalism and create additional value for clients. Many agencies also provide certificates upon completion of training programs. Certificates can motivate participants and add credibility to the training experience. Building a team of qualified trainers can help you grow beyond a one-person business. While you may start as the primary trainer, expanding your services eventually requires additional expertise. Experienced hotel managers, restaurant professionals, human resource specialists, and customer service experts can strengthen your service offerings. When selecting trainers, prioritize practical experience. Hospitality businesses generally prefer trainers who have worked in the industry and understand real-world challenges. A trainer who has managed a hotel or supervised restaurant operations often has greater credibility than someone with only academic knowledge. Marketing is essential because potential clients may not immediately know your business exists. A professional website should clearly explain your services, showcase testimonials, highlight trainer qualifications, and provide contact information. Many decision-makers research service providers online before making purchasing decisions. Content marketing can also be highly effective. Publishing articles, videos, and educational resources about hospitality best practices positions you as an industry expert. When hotel managers search for solutions to service challenges, your content can help attract potential clients. Networking plays a major role in the success of training businesses. Hospitality conferences, tourism exhibitions, business forums, and industry events provide opportunities to meet potential clients and partners. Personal relationships often lead to training contracts and referrals. Social media platforms can help expand your reach. LinkedIn is particularly valuable because many hospitality managers, business owners, and human resource professionals actively use the platform. Sharing useful insights and success stories can help establish credibility and attract inquiries. Pricing your services correctly is crucial. Many new entrepreneurs make the mistake of charging extremely low rates to attract clients. While competitive pricing is important, underpricing can make your services appear less valuable. It can also limit your ability to invest in quality improvements and business growth. Training agencies typically charge in several ways. Some charge per participant, while others charge a fixed fee per training session or project. Corporate clients often prefer package pricing because it simplifies budgeting. Understanding your costs and the value you provide helps determine appropriate pricing. A small training workshop might generate between 20,000 shillings and 100,000 shillings, depending on duration, content, and client requirements. Larger corporate training projects can generate several 100,000 shillings. As your reputation grows, premium pricing becomes easier to justify. Diversifying revenue streams can improve business stability. In addition to delivering training sessions, you can offer consulting services, employee assessments, mystery guest evaluations, online courses, coaching programs, and certification programs. Multiple income sources reduce dependence on a single service. Technology has created new opportunities for training agencies. Online learning platforms allow you to reach clients across Kenya without extensive travel costs. Virtual training sessions, recorded courses, and digital learning materials can generate income even when you are not actively conducting workshops. A well-designed online course can become a valuable asset that produces recurring revenue. Hospitality employees can access training materials at their convenience, while employers benefit from flexible learning options. Blended learning models that combine online and in-person training are becoming increasingly popular. Partnerships can accelerate business growth significantly. Hospitality colleges, tourism organizations, recruitment agencies, human resource consultancies, and educational institutions can become valuable partners. These relationships often create referral opportunities and increase market visibility. Working with educational institutions can be particularly beneficial. Hospitality students often need practical skills that complement classroom learning. Providing workshops and professional development programs can help establish your reputation among future industry professionals. County governments and tourism development organizations may also require hospitality training services. Tourism growth initiatives frequently involve workforce development programs aimed at improving service standards and visitor experiences. Such projects can provide substantial contracts and long-term opportunities. Customer satisfaction should remain at the center of your business strategy. The most successful training agencies focus on measurable results rather than simply delivering presentations. Clients want evidence that training has improved employee performance, customer satisfaction, and business outcomes. Collecting feedback after every training session helps identify areas for improvement. Surveys, interviews, and follow-up assessments provide valuable insights. Positive testimonials and success stories can become powerful marketing tools that help attract new clients. One common challenge is convincing businesses to invest in training. Some managers view training as an expense rather than an investment. To overcome this objection, focus on demonstrating the financial benefits of improved service quality. Better customer experiences often lead to increased revenue, stronger customer loyalty, and improved online reviews. Another challenge involves maintaining relevance in a rapidly changing industry. Customer expectations evolve continuously, and new technologies frequently emerge. Successful training agencies regularly update their content to reflect current industry trends and best practices. Artificial intelligence is beginning to influence hospitality operations. Chatbots, automated booking systems, guest service platforms, and data-driven decision-making tools are becoming more common. Training agencies that understand these technologies can provide valuable guidance to hospitality businesses adapting to digital transformation. As your agency grows, documenting processes becomes increasingly important. Standardized procedures for client onboarding, training delivery, evaluation, and follow-up support help maintain consistency and quality. Strong systems also make it easier to scale operations and manage larger teams. Financial management deserves careful attention. Track expenses, monitor cash flow, and maintain accurate records. Reinvesting a portion of profits into marketing, technology, staff development, and content creation can support long-term growth. Many successful training agencies eventually expand beyond hospitality training. After establishing credibility, they introduce leadership development programs, customer service consulting, organizational development services, and employee engagement initiatives. These additional services can create new revenue opportunities while leveraging existing expertise. The long-term potential of a hospitality training agency is significant. As Kenya's tourism and hospitality sectors continue to expand, demand for professional workforce development is likely to remain strong. Businesses that prioritize employee training often outperform competitors, creating ongoing opportunities for specialized training providers. The key to success is delivering real value. Clients should feel that their investment produced measurable improvements. When businesses see positive results, they are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your services to others. A hospitality training agency is more than just a business. It is an opportunity to help individuals develop careers, assist businesses in achieving growth, and contribute to raising service standards across the industry. Every employee you train has the potential to create better experiences for guests, strengthen business performance, and enhance Kenya's reputation as a world-class hospitality destination. For entrepreneurs willing to invest time in building expertise, developing quality programs, and nurturing client relationships, a hospitality training agency can become a highly profitable and rewarding venture. The industry needs skilled trainers, businesses need practical solutions, and employees need opportunities to improve their skills. By positioning yourself at the center of these needs, you can build a sustainable business that continues growing for many years to come. /span/p/body